All right, today we're going to show you guys how to use the Lumara Arch handle as well as the Velcro strip that comes with your panel. So first thing, let's show you guys how to use the Velcro strip. So you're going to unroll it and then you're going to slide it through both handles and then just lift up. And that's going to allow you to adjust how much you want your panel to be arched. So you can adjust it like that, or let's say you have a client that has a tall head. What we can do, undo the Velcro and then just pull it much closer together and then flip it over. And that is how you're able to use the Lumara Velcro. Now, the other way we can do it is with the arch handle. So we're going to set our Velcro to the side. And when you receive your arch, it might come rotated, flat. All you have to do is twist these about 90 degrees. And then the easiest way to put on the arch is we're going to set down the arch first, and then we're going to grab our panel, we're going to rotate it, and then we're just going to slide it right in and to the clips, and then push down. Once you hear both of those click, you know you are ready to go, and you can now lift it up right from the handle. Now once you have the panel on, it's best just to leave it in the Lumara Arch. But if you do need to take it out for storage, or maybe you're traveling with your panel, the best thing to do is just use your thumbs and press down right on the grip. And then you hear it pop right out. Then again, we're going to rotate it, put our fingers through, and press down with our thumbs. Once you hear it click out on both sides, we're just going to, again, just like we put the panel in, we're going to line it up, set it down, and pull out our panel. And that is how you use the Lumara Arch and your panel Velcro strap.